This is the Wevego medium-sized orthopedic dog bed. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you what's inside. So I was really surprised when I got the box how small and compact the box was, but then I realized that on the inside they shipped the dog bed vacuum sealed and small like this. So let's go ahead and open it up and watch it unfold. So I'm gonna be very careful not to cut the mattress itself while I'm opening it. There we go. Oh, more layers than I thought it was. It's wrapped multiple times. Let's see. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. And what I'm immediately opening up to is the bottom of the bed, and I can tell because it's the non-slip foam here on the bottom of the bed. There we go. And then there's another layer, so this is very protected. Goodness gracious. And again, when you're cutting it, you want to be very careful not to cut the slip itself. So now we got the first layer off. It's already starting to open up and get some air in it. Let me set this aside. Now, as it's opening up, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys for this is the headrest here, and you can see how it stands out, and it's a little bit larger than the bottom piece right here. The headrest is soft and very, very smushy, but the bottom is a little bit more firm. I can tell that there's this like gel-like consistency in the mattress down here on the bottom. This piece right here on the outside that you're seeing is the cover, and it's a waterproof cover. It's flannel, so you can take it off and on, so you can wash it, so you don't have to worry about that pet smell in your house. Now on the side right here, this is really cool. They have a little handle, so you can walk around and carry it if you're moving it from room to room. Here is the bottom where you can zip on and off the cover. Right here. Gonna zip it closed, and it's a very this is the waterproof not waterproof, this is the non-slip side, and it feels kind of like the stuff that's on the bottom of those rugs that prevent the non-slip feel. It's a little bumpy. Let's see how, yeah, it's pretty non-slip. I mean, I'm pushing it pretty hard right now and it's really not moving. And then of course you've got the logo over here on the side. So now it looks like it's completely opened up and ready to use. The first time, obviously, it looks a little bit wrinkled, but I'm sure that this is gonna stand out. But it's actually still very, very soft. So I saw a lot of things about the softness in the reviews and on the description of this flannel, and they're right. This is a very, very soft flannel. I think my dog's gonna be a little bit spoiled. But this is a great mattress. This says it's a medium size, which is a little bit smaller than I expected, but it would definitely fit a medium-sized dog, maybe probably between 10 and 20 pounds. I have a Schnauzer at home that's about 11 pounds. She would certainly fit on this with possibly even a friend if she wanted to have a little puppy play date. So if you're interested in that, you're going to want to go ahead and add that to your Amazon cart now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.